Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. How are you today? Two things to make money online in 2020. You need to build these two things ASAP. My name is Glen Murray. Welcome to my channel. All you new subscribers, thank you very much. If you like videos about making money online and how to do certain things that maybe you're stuck or you're just wondering how to even get started in this big, crazy online business world, well, check out some of my videos. Most of the time, I promote just a few programs and I show you basically the principles on how to really make money online. It's not that hard. It's just, it takes some strategic work. Okay, let's get into it. So what are the two things to make money? Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, notification. So two things to make money online. What are the two things? So a lot of people are like, oh, well, you got to get into cryptocurrency or do a Shopify store or Amazon or, all those things are great. Actually, I'm not a big fan of cryptocurrency and forex. I think that's just a big money scheme. I'm not a fan of matrices and all these kind of like hybrid companies that are gonna do all these magical things, and they promise you the sky and all that kind of stuff. I really like solid businesses that you can promote. Now, one thing, so there's two sides to it. There's businesses you promote, and what is your online business, right? You guys, your online business is you. I guarantee that within the next 3 or 4 or 5 years, there'll be multiple programs that you will be promoting online, whether it's one network marketing company where you move to another network marketing company, or an affiliate program, or a different affiliate program, or a new affiliate program comes out, or something hybrid. You'll be promoting those different things. So who or what is your online business? It's you. You are your online business. And so many people make this mistake. They go and they find some company to join, and then they go promote the company's link. They take themselves out of the equation. You're not building a business, guys. That's not building a business. All that is it's basically being a I don't know how to explain it. You're just a conduit. You're not even there's nothing about you in it. You could be replaced by anything, right? So when you're building an empire online, the number one, and guys, stick around to the end. I've got something for you that's going to blow your mind. So stick around because it's important. So number one thing you need to do, let's just get right into it, down and dirty, is you need to create content, and you need to create assets online that you own. And I'm not talking about Facebook groups. I'm not talking about a Twitter feed or profile. Yes, I have 20,000 followers on Twitter, right? I know that could be taken away at any time. So I don't depend on it. I have Facebook groups. I'm already squashed on Facebook. They can't stand me because I get around paying for advertising. I paid for advertising. Now they just they barely let me get my stuff out there. It's just that's the nature of it, because they want you, because they want to control the environment. YouTube, at any time, a YouTube channel could be shut down. So while those are great assets and they could be worth a ton of money to you and drive great stuff to you, Facebook groups and all that stuff, it's not an asset that you own. So building that, you potentially could be building something that totally crumbles and disappears, and then you're stuck with nothing. So the number one thing you need to be building is your own content, your own blog, your own website. You need this. This is number one. Someone was asking me a question online the other day, like, well, what's the number one thing that you need? If you could only have one thing, Glenn, what would be the one thing that you would have? I'd say my blog, my content. Like, that is the number one thing I need. That is your asset. That is what you can continue to build on, that no one can take away from you. Yes, can your hosting company shut down? You move your files, right? Not a big deal. You own that content because it's 100% your content. No one is ruling it, and no one can take it away from you. So no matter what business, what program you're promoting, your business is you promoting that program. That's why people can change program to program to program to program to program, because it's you. At some point, when you get big enough, you will start promoting a program that you create, or maybe a product that you create, or maybe you're already doing that, but you don't know why you're not being successful, because you got this big Facebook group and a Twitter following and YouTube, but you don't have a blog that's continuing to grow. Okay, so that's the first thing. So you absolutely need it. Number two thing that you need is something that's called an email list. Yes, an email list. And you're, oh, email's dead. No one answers emails. Guys, it is still the most powerful way of communication, especially when you have a downline. Yes, will you communicate through your other platforms? Absolutely. I'm not saying it's not one or the other, it's all of it. But again, if you have your 20,000 Twitter followers and Twitter goes, no, we don't like your profile anymore, we're just going to blacklist you, well, you can no longer broadcast your information to those 20,000 people. It's gone. Your email list, they can't take it away from you. Yes, can it go into your spam folder? Yes, you have to educate your email list to making sure they white label your list, or white label your name so that your emails get there. And yes, do people unsubscribe? Absolutely. If you're not pushing your list hard enough for people to unsubscribe, then you're not doing a good enough job marketing. Do things go into spam? Yes. Do you have to constantly building your list? Yes. But it's easy when you're building it with the target people that you want. So when you have your content, your blog, right, and you're going, oh, Glenn, it sounds like so much work. Yes, it is. It is work. But here's the thing, and here's what I want to show you guys. So here, let me just open this up. So basically, I want to give you this blueprint, right? This is how to start and grow a profitable digital business starting today. And basically, you're going to get a step-by-step blueprint to a hyper-profitable business while working a full-time job. This is how you achieve time freedom, emotional freedom, and and financial freedom. Guys, this is it. Now, one thing. Are you going to get rich quick? No, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. When you see someone that says you're going to be uber rich in 30 days, run. Because that's just bullshit hype. In order to build an online business, a new program may come out that can make you a lot of money in a very short amount of time. You know how those people are doing it, even though they're called, oh, this newbie guy just started his thing and he's made $25,000 because he's probably got an email list that's 50,000 people, right? An email list. If you have a good email list that's properly maintained, that email list is worth about $1 per person per month. So you have a 10,000 person email list. That's approximately $10,000 a month that you can be making if you prune and you keep that list relevant and you keep that list active, right? And if you build that list on the type of information that you're sending them, right? If you built a list about losing weight and you're trying to sell them how to make money online, it's not going to be the main thing. If you built a list on how to lose weight and you're trying to sell them a weight loss product, the next best weight loss product, then it's relevant. Okay, so I want you guys to go here, and I want to send you to this page. I will put the link below. You definitely want to go here, and you want to see how to start and grow a profitable digital business starting today. This is how you're going to achieve your time freedom, your financial freedom, and your emotional freedom. And emotional freedom is so important, guys. When my mind started to really, I was in the thick of it. I was chasing everything. So many people get bogged down in it, and same thing, right? We all go through it as when you start your online business. You try this, you try this, you try this. Oh, it's not working, and you slowly realize that when you look at it from 18 months in, 2 years in, 3 years in, you look back at what you're doing. You're like, oh, I was so silly, right? You realize you were probably doing the right thing. You just weren't doing enough of it, and that's the thing. And you're bogged down, and you've been told you're going to get all this instant success, but it's not there, and it's frustrating. So your emotional freedom is so nice to have when you can get up in the morning, do your work. Maybe you do it in about an hour, maybe 2 hours. Get all your either you've done a blog post, or you've set up your emails for the day, or whatever it is, and you leave it. And then the rest of the day you go, and you can visualize your business. You can visualize different things. You're probably going to answer some people that are messaging you through your social media. But for the most part, you start living this in an emotional freedom, time freedom, financial freedom lifestyle, where you get to do work where you want, right? From where you want, all that kind of stuff. So I want you guys to check out the link below. Go start the journey correctly. Yes, you can keep doing what you're doing on that other stuff, but guys, you absolutely need to have your website, and you need to be building your email list every single day. My goal every day, like my number one priority, is to get people on my email list. And let me show you, like, I'll show you how diligent I am on it. Let me see if I can find my emails that are coming in. Okay, here. I was going to show you a ton, like you can see here. So this is how many people I'm adding to my email daily, right? So just today, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12 today. Yesterday is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it looks like I'm doing about 15 a day right now. I did a big push a couple days ago. I just had a solo ad end where I was adding about 30 or 40 a day, maybe 50 a day. Let me get back here. Oops. Where am I? There I am. So guys, that's what you want to be doing. You want to be adding those people to your list every single day. That is my goal. I want people on my list, right? That's the goal. I want people on the list because I want to be able to market to them. Do they go through to all the programs? Absolutely. That's why I want them on my list. But that's my most important asset. My other most important asset is creating content for my blog. So I create these videos on YouTube, which I then transcribe and get onto my blog. So now I have the video post on my blog. Now, for some reason, if YouTube took my channel away, I would have to go back and fill in all those videos. But right now I'm using it as a way to drive traffic as well to my YouTube channel, because I want to make sure that is an endless snake, right? The dragon eating its tail kind of thing, because I put stuff on my blog to drive people to YouTube, so they subscribe to my YouTube channel. So when I put up a new YouTube video, they get sent to my blog, right? Aha! All right, guys. So go check it out, and now watch this video next. This is more of a description about what the main company that I'm promoting is doing, and that why 100% you need to get into it. It's an amazing program. Like today, I just had a nice more income come in today. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. All right, guys. Cheers. And if you have any questions, message me. And thank you again for subscribing. Cheers.